Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. In this session, we are going to discuss about the roles and responsibilities of managers. Professor Henry Mintzberg, a great management researcher, after studying managers for several weeks, concluded that to meet the many demands of performing their functions, managers assume multiple roles. He put forward that the role is an organized set of behaviors. He identified that following 10 roles common to the work of all managers. These roles have been split into 3 groups. They are interpersonal, informational, and decisional. Interpersonal. In interpersonal, managers has to act as a figurehead, as a leader, and as a liaison. Informational role. In informational role, managers has to act as a monitor, as a disseminator, and as a spokesperson. Decisional. In decisional role, the manager has to act as an entrepreneur, as a disturbance handler, as a resource allocator, and as a negotiator. Now, let us understand each role of managers in brief. First one, figurehead role of manager. Managers perform the duties of a ceremonial and symbolic in nature, such as welcoming official visitors, signing legal documents, etc. As head of the organization or strategic business unit or department. Duties of interpersonal roles include routine involving little serious communication and less important decisions. However, they are important for the smooth functioning of an organization or department. Second one, leadership role of manager. All managers have a leadership role. The managers, as in charge of the organization or department, coordinates the work of others and leads his subordinates. This role includes hiring, training, motivating, and disciplining employees. Formal authority and functional authority provides greater potential work to exercise and get the things done. Third one, liaison role of manager. As the leader of the organization or unit, the manager has to perform the functions of motivation, communication, encouraging team spirit, and the like. Further, he has to coordinate the activities of all his subordinates, which involves the activity of liaison. This role also requires the manager to interact with other managers outside the organization to secure favors and informations. In this role, the manager represents his organization in all matters of formality. Fourth one, monitor role of manager. As a result of the network of contacts, the manager gets the information by scanning his environment, subordinates, peers, and superiors. The manager seeks and receives information concerning internal and external events so as to gain understanding of the organization and its environment. Typically, this is done through reading magazines, talking with others to learn changes in public taste, what competitors may be planning, and the like.